Hi, my name is Etienne and I'm a product marketing manager at SOLABS. This video is the second one in a series on how to make changes to documents in QM10 without ever downloading or uploading them back again. In this video, I am taking the role of an author who has been asked to make changes to a document by their document coordinator. This begins by an email that I'm receiving asking me to make said changes, and then when I click on the link here, it takes me directly to the software on the page that I need to act on. From this page, I have access to Edit Online, which takes me to the collaborative review. When you do this, it opens up a web browser with the Microsoft Online, but you also have the option of opening Word as the desktop application as well if you prefer working directly into this. The track changes is enabled automatically, and any changes you make are going to be highlighted in a bright color, allowing you to pretty easily see the changes that you have made yourself. So once you're done, you can just go ahead and close this. Once you're done with your review, you can go ahead and provide feedback, in which case you'll need to pick Reviewed, See Comments, See in Track Changes, and then you'll be able to submit. The cycle will then go back to the document coordinator, and they will be able to send it for an actual revision or approval cycle based on the needs. In the third video of this series, I will walk you through the same process if multiple people at once are making changes to the document.